my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this purple glittery cut crease makeup look. This will go perfect for bride. This will also go perfect with any outfit that you wear. If you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe and like, comment, share this video. I'm starting off with my eyebrows. For eyebrows I'm using a brow pomade which is by PAC Cosmetics. Shaping your eyebrows is very important. Not just they look good with eyeshadows, but they also add a lot of dimension to your face. Once I'm done with filling in the gap of my eyebrows and creating a shape, I will take a spoolie and comb them through and distribute the product. Then I'm going to prime my eyelid. For this I'm using a lighter color concealer. Make sure to use a full coverage concealer as this will cancel all the pigmentation on the eyelid. Once that is done, I'm going to set my eyelid with some powders to avoid creasing. For today's eye makeup look, I have picked up this palette from Makeup Revolution x Patricia Bright collaboration. From there I will be picking up a purple shade and I will pick that with the help of a flat shader brush, and then I'm going to create the shape and I will be marking where I want my cut crease to be. Then I will be taking this lighter purple shade and I will be diffusing above that line that we have created. For this I have taken a very small blending brush. If you take a bigger blending brush, things can get a little mess up. Then I'm going to take my compact powder and I'm going to blend above both of this color just to create a very smooth transition. Now I will take a brown color shade and I will be placing it on the place where I will be cutting out my crease. I will deepen up my crease just to give it some more depth and definition. I'm again going to go back with that small blending brush and blend all the three colors together. And now I have taken this Swiss Beauty concealer again and I will be cutting out my crease. After I am done with that, I will use a silver color shade from the palette and then I will be using a pink in the middle. Then I will be picking up a purplish color shimmer shade and I will be placing it after that pink shade. I will re-intensify the white shimmery shade that we have applied, and now I'm going to take my gel eyeliner and I'm going to connect both of these lines together. If you have problem in creating shape, you can always use a scotch tape. This will become very handy. You can also use a black eyeshadow for this step. Now I'm going to take some lash glue on the back of my hand and I'm going to place it on my eyelid. Taking things on the back of your hand will always help you to decide what intensity you want. And then I'm going to apply some glitter on my eyelid. This will just look very stunning. Now I'm going to re-intensify my crease area. Now for the lower lash line, I will apply kohl pencil thickly. For any bridal look, you can use kohl pencil very thickly. That looks very beautiful on the eyes. Now I'm going to use mascara. This is the Volume Million Lashes by L'Oreal. This is one of my current favorite mascara. Now I am going to apply my liner. So I had applied some gel liner and now I'm going to top it off with some liquid eyeliner. This will just make my eyes look very defined, black kohl eyes. Now I'm going to apply these lashes. These are very pretty lashes. These are by PAC Cosmetics. I have forgotten the number. Now I'm going to highlight my face, different areas of my face, and as you can see I've worn my outfit and some matching jewelries as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, then don't forget to like. I'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, you can watch my other videos, and before leaving my channel, don't forget to subscribe.